Hollywood in general has been improving representation over the past few years with critically acclaimed hits such as Moonlight, Hidden Figures, Get Out, Coco, etc. But with all the improved representation of people of different ethnicities, genders, orientations, and skin color, it seems that autistic representation has not changed one bit to the major part of Hollywood. As an autistic, it is kind of hard to find films with characters that relate to me or have the same disability on screen. But there has been significant improvements in the media, and no better place to look than on Sesame Street. Since 1969, Sesame Street has been a cultural juggernaut in representation, marketing, and have mastered serious topics over these past 50 years. Several characters have been added recently and have made significant contributions to representation and diversity, like Ji Young, a Korean American Muppet who plays electric guitar, and Rudy, one of Sesame Street's newest monsters who represents step samplings, and Julia, a Muppet who is autistic and loves to create art. Julia has had a very unique introduction to Sesame Street. Julia started off as an animated Muppet around 2015 and would later appear as an actual Muppet character in 2017. A year after Sesame Street itself started changing around, Julia has been a mainstay in the show's recent years along other well-known characters, such as Count Von Count, Mr. Snuffleupagus, and Rosita. But why was Julia's welcome so warm when other films are solely criticized for poor representation? Well, a lot of people who worked on the show may not have autism, but have had some experience or a lot. Julia's Muppeteer, Stacy Gordon, actually has a son who is autistic, and the designer, Louis Mitchell, actually worked at a school and has befriended an autistic girl. And the episode's writer, Christine Ferraro, who wrote over 100 episodes, including numerous Sesame Street specials and 3 Sesame Street live shows, actually has a brother who is on the autism spectrum. I feel like with Sesame Workshop, it comes from a place of understanding, and the people in charge of the episode really know what they were doing. The thing that Sesame Workshop did right, which other companies or production conglomerates would do wrong, is that they had people who have understood the topic or has personal experiences, as opposed to other films which have neurotypical actors give a very offensive performance or forced to perform a very offensive script. So we still have a long way to go, but Sesame Workshop was able to hit this introduction out of the park. Good job, Sesame Workshop. I applaud most of your efforts representing autism. Well, most of the time.